From this series of reactions, we need to identify the compound X. At the end, as we are getting a secondary amine, and this secondary amine we are getting by the reduction of a particular compound Z, which is obtained by the carbylamine reaction. So definitely here is the hint for you. It means this should be a isocyanide. Then only on reduction we get the secondary amine. So what could be that isocyanide? It is nothing but CH3, CH, CH3, N triple bond C. This one on reduction only we get this secondary amine. So this is our compound Z. And this compound Z was obtained by the process of carbylamine reaction. So definitely that compound should be a primary amine, because only primary amines react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH to give isocyanide. So what would be that primary amine? It is nothing but CH3, CH, CH3, NH2, isopropylamine, isn't it? So this is our compound Y. And we got this particular compound Y by making to react compound X with bromine and KOH. And the reaction where amine is formed by involving bromine and KOH, it is nothing but Hofmann bromamide degradation, isn't it? So the starting compound should be definitely an acid amide. And what would be that acid amide? It is CH3, CH, CH3, CO, NH2. So when this amide is subjected to Hofmann bromamide degradation, we are getting a primary amine, that is isopropylamine. This on carbylamine reaction we are getting isocyanide, which on further reduction giving rise to this secondary amine. So our answer is this particular compound, and that is there in option A.